Hey everybody, here's a quick video to demonstrate setting up of multiple monitors. Currently I have two monitors connected and placed physically side by side. However, the right monitor has no display yet. To turn it on, right click on the desktop followed by Display Settings. A layout will appear showing all the connected monitors. If you see only one monitor, check the cable connections. For now, scroll down to the end and change multiple monitors to extend these displays. Click on Keep Changes when prompted. After extending the displays, the wallpaper will appear across both monitors. Let's scroll back up to the top. Now, Windows assign a number to every monitor. To see these numbers, click on Identify. They will appear in black boxes. As you can see, the left monitor is assigned 1 and the right is assigned 2. However, the layout is showing the opposite, which is incorrect. To fix this, click and drag the layout to match how the monitors are physically arranged. Click Apply to save. If you have a different setup, just arrange the layout accordingly. When you're done, click on the X to close display settings. VXCharts can now be stretched across the desktop to make use of both monitors. If you have questions, drop us an email at the link found in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.